Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Uh, Assalamualaikum to Ms. Farah and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Hamdan, and my student ID is 2021 410768. In this speech, I will focus more on persuasive speech, and the title will be given Why Smoke is Bad. So in this context, we will go through two things. The first one is we will highlight on why smoking is bad, and the other one is a solution for how we can stop smoking. Without further ado, let's we move on to the first chapter, is introduction. Okay, to define smoking, smoking is a practice of breathing in smoke for pleasure and burning substances, commonly tobacco, that eventually absorb your bloodstream. A product rolled with dry leaf of the tobacco plant in the form of the round cylinder called cigarette is quite popular in the market for the smoker. Alright, let's move on to why smoking is bad. Why smoking is injurious to health. Cigarettes have 41,000 chemicals, from which large percentage that can cause cancer causing. When combining with smoke, this chemical cause mutation in your cell and multiply at an uncontrollable rate. One can suffer from cancer such as pancreas, kidney, bladder, cervix, bone marrow, and blood. Smoking put at risk heart attack. For example, people who smoke regularly have a higher chances of suffering from lung cancer by 25 times. Besides, you can suffer from a constriction of your blood vessel. High blood pressure due to faster heartbeat and formation of plaque. All this increase your chances of heart disease and cardiovascular disease. And next point, smoking can make your bone brittle. Smoking is responsible for your for the loss in bone density, so it increases the amount of calcium leaches from your bone. By decline in bone density contributes to the earlier onset of osteoporosis, joint pain, and loss of teeth. Okay, next point, smoking leads to the two-type diabetes. Smoking can cause damage to the body cell and lead to an increased risk of developing two-type diabetes, or what is known as adult onset diabetes. It increased inflammation when chemical in cigarette smoke injures cell to cause swelling and interfere with a proper cell function. It also causes oxidized stress by combining the chemical of cigarette with oxygen in your body. The next one, smoking is responsible for premature aging. Smoking is one of the chief and significant reasons why premature aging can cause your face. Smoking causes constriction of the blood vessel by depriving the living skin tissue of oxygen. Eventually, you do not get blood quickly to your organs, including your skin, to become premature earlier. Also, smoking can increase the chances of infection. A chain smoker habit of smoking is weakening their immune system, and they are more prone to infection. Smoking also has effect on a tiny hair called cilia that line in the respiratory tract, including the bronchial tube and trachea. Toxic effect of cigarette smoke can paralyze the cilia, ultimately destroying this core protective mechanism. Okay, so the next topic we're gonna discuss about how to quit smoke All right, there are a couple of what do you call that, tips or formula that out there in the internet. Normally, we can choose either one, but in this topic, in this context, I prefer to choose a START formula, STARAT formula. Okay, for the first one is alphabet S. S stand for set a quit date. Choose a date within 2 weeks so you have enough time to prepare without losing your motivation to quit. If you mainly smoke at work, quit on the weekend. So you have a few days to adjust to change. And the other one is T. T stands for tell your family, friend and coworker that you plan to quit. Let your friend and family in your plan to quit smoking and tell them you need their support and encouragement to stop. Look for a buddy. For a quit buddy who want to stop smoking as well, so you can help each other on this task. And next one is A. A stands for anticipate and plan for the challenges you face while quitting. Most of the people who begin smoking again do so within the first 3 months. You can help yourself make it through by preparing ahead for common challenges such as nicotine withdrawal and cigarette craving. And next one is R. R stands for remove cigarette and other tobacco product from your home, car and work. Throw away all your cigarette lighter, ashtray and matches. Wash your clothes and freshen up anything that smells like smoke. Shampoo your car, clean and drap the carpet and steam all your furniture. And the last one is T. Talk to your doctor about getting help to quit. Your doctor can prescribe medication to help withdrawal symptom. If you can't see a doctor, you can get many products out there at the counter at your local pharmacy, including nicotine patches, lozenges, and gums. Okay, we come to the conclusion. The determination it takes to quit smoke is immense task, but you have to think about your loved one and all the people who care about you. Only you can make a difference. Like the title, one of the title that I like is "Man in the Mirror" by Michael Jackson. Actually, got a big message to yourself to change. The lyric is, I'm starting with a man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his way, and no message could have been any clearer. If you want to make a world a better place, to take a look at yourself and then make a change. That's all from me. Thank you.